Mia, where's your balloon? Can you find your balloon? Where's your balloon? Can you bring it to me? Mimi, where's your balloon? Great job! Yay! Wait, uh-oh. 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 No more balloon? Okay, be nice to Daisy. Poor Daisy. Okay. Where's the balloon? Where's the balloon? Yeah, there it is. Gotta put your stuff down. Grab me the balloon. You can do it. It's okay, I'll watch it. Daisy, say. Yay! Good job. All right. Can I have it? Oh, no, I can't. Oh, Mia, you are so cute. Bye, Mia. Bye.